Today we visit Iseltwald, having lunch at Scholle du Lac Iseltwald, and then we walk a little bit around together with Rasta. Huh? Yeah, everyone is waiting for spring. Remember this place? Yeah, where the funny cows were jumping? Yeah. Soon they are back on their meadows. What a wonderful small village. A little visit by the cows of Iseltwald. Hey, Mädels? Na? Huh? You maybe remember the cows jumping in the meadows? Yeah. This is the winter quarter. But soon you are able to jump again. Gell? Ja. So ist das. Yeah, you're looking forward. I'm quite sure. Gell? Du bist ja schön, du. Jo, feini. Jo, jo. Bist schon wieder gekommen? Huh? They are such beautiful cows. Ja. Ja, du, bald geht's raus. Yeah, Iseltwald is still at the beginning of spring. But soon everything is green and colorful. Yeah, and then the cows are jumping here. Stoot, 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 stoot. So, now it is time to go on a hike with Rasta. Rasta can't wait to run, but first we need to walk down a little bit. Yeah, don't forget to pee. Yeah, haben wir det? So, yeah, I have Rasta on the leash because you don't know, there are maybe cats or maybe, I don't know, chicken. Yeah, so that's why. There are so many nice houses here. Really love it. Ja, jetzt nehmen wir mal schnell die Abkürzung. Oops. Yeah, it's a little bit slippery, but yeah, it's just a short part, and then we are on the hiking path, on the official. Gell, Rasta? Spring is in the air. Psst. Hans, kom. Da, kom dan. I don't see around to go. Dus hier erop blijven. Snel, kom. Hier erop blijven, kom. Yeah, stay behind me. Wow, look at that color. Wow. Crazy schön. Huh? Du Rasta, und so. Ist gut? Frei? Alle, alle. Wow. Crazy schön. Wow, that would be nice to live here. Huh? Ne? Ist noch nett. Rasta is peeing everywhere. Ah ja, du, wenn man es kann. Wow, schau mal. Now the lake begins to get back to his color, the turquoise. Ah, it's written that there is a official fireplace over there. So let's check it out. I've never been in this corner. Right? You go so many times at the same area, and there are still so many unexplored corners. P again. Yeah, everyone knows that this is Rasta in my videos. Boah, look mal. Oh, that looks like a nice corner. Like Rasta, huh? That was a good idea. Oi. Huh? Looks good. You could go paddle. Huh? Hopla. Yeah, but keep attention, baby. Huh? So, already busy. Hey! Wow, what a nice place, baby. Wow, look at this crystal clear water. Crazy. Oh. And there is Iseltwald. Hey Rasta, happy? Yeah? We found again a new a new paradise. Yeah. Rasta, we are not perfect. And it's okay like this. Kom, alle. It is much more warmer than yesterday. I can almost go hiking with my bikini. No, not really. Just kidding. Kom, alle. Yes. Yeah, enjoy, Rasta, enjoy. This is spring. Was ist denn? Alle. I think animals smell spring too. Huh? New energy. Oh, these are nice flowers. Well, not flowers, but what's the name? Just checked. This is eine gemeine Waldrebe. Yeah, I have an app called Picture This, and then you can make a photo of any plant like this one. Then you just do a picture, and then the app is telling you what kind of plant it is. This is super. This is something Rasta loves to do, walking in little creeks. He's such a child. Or someone wrote he is a goofy. Ja, you're goofy. Ja, genau. Ja, do it. Mach was nicht kannst lassen. Komm. Where are you? I. Such a good companion. Gell? Ja, bist ein guter. Hey! Gehst du noch mal rauf? You go up again? Ganz rauf? Musst ganz rauf? Oi! Wow! You are super, du. Hä? Super, super. No? What do you think about this view? Not so bad, huh? Yes, we visit this corner again in spring. But it's already nice. That was a nice little hike. Ja, ga zien. Hop, hop. Has? And now we go back. Kom baby, kom. Halle, halle. Ga zoeken. I know you. Whee! And now party. Yeah, I'm here. Koekoes. Hi. Mars party. Goofy. Yeah, slowly. Von Jabbe. Yeah, slowly. Come. Good boy. So this is where we came from, with the nice little house. Yeah, now we go back. Hey, Bobby? Am I too slow? Allez, allez. Wait, in a few years I am faster than you. Ah, we will see. Ooh, slippery, huh? Little bit. Hey, and now playtime. You sure? Okay. Once. What? What? Muss halt zurückgehen. Go back. Go back. Go back. Ganz so. Okay. Yeah, that's funny, huh? Hey. Yeah, in spring, this is territory of the cows. So that was a nice little hike. I hope you enjoyed it. And now we go home. Garasta, say no bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, that was nice. Ciao.